In this video, I'm going to teach you how to understand the tracks feature on the Gallagher eShepherd dashboard. I'm Sarah from Okanagan Ranch and Fence Supplies, and if you're looking for virtual fencing, we'd love to help you out. So the first thing I'm going to go do is locate the Animals tab at the top here, as well as the Mobs. These are the two that we're going to be using today. The purpose of the tracks feature is to allow you to see the historical movements of your animals. So when I'm in the animal section, you can select up to 5 animals at a time to use this feature. And then you're going to go to the bottom here and click on tracks. By default, it's going to show you the tracks of those animals over the last 24 hours, but you can extend this time period further. You can go back in time also to any date that you want by adjusting the start date. As you can see here, there's little arrows which show you the directions of the movement, and there's both diamonds and squares, which are a little bit hard to distinguish between, but this one here is a square versus this one here is a diamond. So the diamonds show the location of the animal when a status message was sent to the cloud, which is typically every 10 minutes, but may be longer depending on how you've set up your communication cadence. In this ranch here, they are using a cellular communication versus using a LoRa base station. And in this option, you're actually able to see how the stimulus was applied. So this green audio icon indicates where the audio alert was delivered. And then if they had a pulse, then it will be signified by an orange icon with a lightning bolt in the middle. So that orange pulse icon indicates that both an audio warning and a pulse was delivered. So that orange icon means 2 things have happened. The audio warning was delivered for 5 seconds, and then the animal had not responded by moving away from the virtual fence, and then the neckband delivered 1 pulse. All of that shown by 1 icon. For this animal here, they received only the audio tone, and they did not receive any pulse tones. This is an example here of this animal which received the audio tones here, and then at this point here, they received the audio and the pulse. So sometimes this can confuse people when they see that lightning bolt and then the word pulse, thinking that the audio was missed, but it has not been. That single icon indicates that 2 actions occurred together. So let's use an example to illustrate this. So if an animal walks straight across the virtual fence boundary and does not turn back, it just keeps walking in a straight line. The neckband delivers the audio warning, but then because the animal did not respond, a pulse is delivered. Following the first audio pulse pair, the pattern repeats, delivering additional audio pulse pairs. Now, the neckband stops taking any further action to contain the animal. In the tracks feature, you will only see this orange pulse icon. Like I mentioned a couple times, the audio tone always comes before. So something that is good to know is that the line between the yellow diamonds does not necessarily this animal walked in a completely straight line. So see this guy here, he very unlikely walked completely straight. This just means that it took 10 minutes between when the waypoint occurred and when the animal was marked, and they likely were meandering around, so they're not actually traveling in a perfectly straight line. So you can see here, these triangles mean that that's when they checked in. So this was check-in 1, and then a 10-minute interval later, this was another check-in, unless of course you've set your cadence differently. If you have any questions about eShepherd or would like to know if it works for your ranch, drop a comment below or contact us. We'd love to help. Thanks for watching.